Hi guys, we're getting ready to make our adobo black beans. The first thing it says is to get 10 cups of water started boiling, which I've done that. Add our beans and then stir for 2 minutes. After they have cooked for 2 minutes, excuse me, you're going to remove them from the heat, put your lid on, and let them sit and soak for an hour. Okay, while we're waiting for our beans to soak, we're going to go ahead and cut up our 2 cloves of garlic and our onion. And I don't know if I do this like everyone else does. Okay. Okay, we've got the onion, and now we'll do the garlic the same way. It says the garlic needs to be minced. And I know I don't do this like the cookbooks say, but I just keep chopping until it's very tiny. Okay, so since I'm not a patient person, we're going to go ahead and do a little bit more of a recipe while we're waiting on our beans. So you add a tablespoon and a half of oil, and then we're going to add our garlic and onions. Okay, so basically what we're doing here, we're just going to put these in here and just let it sit for a minute while we get the rest of our ingredients. So we've got our adobo seasoning. We have some optional items, which is the ground cumin, some peppers, and the peppers that I got, this is backwards, I'll take a picture of it later. I got at the international section at the grocery store. We have a chicken cube, bouillon cube, and some Mexican oregano. And our bouillon cube. Okay, it says dissolve all these. So we'll go ahead and let it dissolve and leave it cooking on low for a bit, and then we will switch pots and put this with our beans. Okay guys, we've let our beans soak. They have been drained and rinsed, and everything is added together in the same pot. You can see the yellow color is from the turmeric. That is in the adobo seasoning. You can see our chilies floating in there. Okay, so now we're just going to cover it up and let it cook for an hour. It says to cook it on medium-low until the beans are tender. Alrighty, so now we wait. While we're waiting, I have cut a couple slices of red onion for garnish. Not really garnish, to eat with the beans. And I'm going to chop up some cilantro. Which technically will work as garnish, but it will also add more flavor to the beans. We have about a 50-50 mix in our household of people that like really spicy and people that don't like really spicy. And I am one of the ones that do. So if I'm cooking, things are probably going to be a little spicier. The only problem with me cooking is the patience aspect. And that's why I do not cook a lot, because I tend to think that I have time to do other things while things are cooking, and that never turns out well. So we're going to set this aside and wait on our beans. Alright, this is how it turned out. If you guys try it at home or try one of the other Spice Club recipes, just take a picture and drop it in the comments with this video. See you next time, guys.